What we're trying to do is fill a void here in Rwanda. You can easily buy lots of basic items, but things that are more specialized, that are a little bit more complex, are harder to find. Sometimes you can get them in other countries, but shipping is an issue and expense is an issue. And so what we're trying to do with the 3D printer is set up a lab, whereas the school and the community are able to print certain objects that might be helpful. So for instance, we have a corn sheller, which was designed by a student at MIT, and that allows people to take the corn off the cob. Now they do it by hand, and it takes about 15 minutes per cob to get the corn off. And with this corn sheller, it's a rotating motion and the corn just falls right off. So it takes about 30 seconds. So we're saving people a lot of time. Initially, we're making objects that they can choose from. But in the future, we will be working closely with my students at IU, and the community here will describe the specific local problems that they have. And my students will design and prototype using a 3D printer back in the US. And when they have something that works, they will email that file to the 3D printer here in Rwanda. And then the community members can do some more prototyping and seeing if we get it right. The teachers were really excited about the possibility. What got me really excited is the fact that they sort of understood what we were trying to do. They may not understand all parts of the technology yet. They'll get there, but what's important is that they understand the big picture and how these different tools that we're going to be printing can actually help you.